Oof. Now 4.5 minutes left has me kind of tilted more on the bear side right out of the gates. All these previous wicks, first bear bar of the day, 4 minutes left on the candle. But with all the sell side failures down there, it makes it kind of tough. More likely that the sellers just try to sell better prices, like 6 quarters. Somewhere up there might be a lot more reasonable.
More from Build here says the central theme of the Biden-Schultz talks in Washington will be the Ukraine-Russia conflict.
Downside objectives, excuse me, splayed out on the S&P. Tested the target, but no fill. Last one, whoops, is a little off. That up a little bit further. Hey, nice. Beautiful continuation, slide back down to fill the last portion.